feeling good due to common cold and cough? Steam में ली, सब कुछ कर लिया, फिर भी कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ा. Try these 2 remedies today. Have ginger and lemon basil water which is anti-inflammatory drink, and use this for your cold and cough. It helps to thin the mucus built in your nose and throat. Secondly, chew parsley. Parsley is a very common herb which is available these days, and it has got good anti-inflammatory properties. करना क्या है? Parsley लो, wash करो and chew कर लो. Don't rush after medicines. Let herbs be your asset to wellness. Stay tuned for more natural healthy tips by Dietmantraz. Thank you so much.